At the beginning of last year, I received the opportunity to attend a Jesuit university in another country. It was challenging, but not impossible. Foreign professionals adapting to a new culture and the cold weather of Colorado made me nervous, but at the same time excited.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, just maybe one more sentence.
Upon my arrival, it was an unreal surprise to discover a great and beautiful institution, Regis University. Like other Jesuit universities,
Okay, nice and done. Now, again, you'll follow the script, but it will say, oh, wait a minute, you're right after us. You're a second speaker, okay. So they're registered nurse, blah, 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 blah. And then Dr. Lazarus will say, Miss Sullivan, or Ms. Sullivan. Okay, so, now, and the same holds true for you and as well as others. It feels funny as the dickens for you to stand so close to it.
Regis University provided me just what I needed, the brain stimulation and the challenge. However, the increase in responsibility also came with feelings of self-doubt and the fear of failure. One of my professors suggested I might identify with imposter syndrome. As I started to read about this phenomenon, I realized I have been dealing with this a lot of my career.